Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and here in the UK the kids are going back to school very soon after their summer break. So we thought we would have a giveaway to celebrate this, a back to school giveaway. So we've got some great gear to give away to one competition prize winner as well as 5 runners up. To enter the competition, we'll give you the rules at the end of this video, and also there's going to be a little clue in the video, so please watch the whole video. Okay, what are we giving away? We've got a Deuter Junior rucksack, which is perfect for primary school kids. It's got a main compartment here, which has got drawstring closure, and it's got 2 little stuff pockets on the side, and it has a pocket on the lid here and a pocket on the front, which has a key fob holder. So I'm just going to show you how that works and attach my keys to it. There we go. Great. As well as that, we've got this super kids Camelbak Eddy bottle, which fits nicely into the side pocket there. And just so it's not all about that first day back at school, we've also included a Keen Explorer kit, which has some binoculars, a flashlight, a compass, and a few other bits and bobs for your kids to have fun with when they're out and about. And this is what we'll be giving the 5 runners up as well. So how do you enter this competition? Well, there's 3 rules. Firstly, could you like this video? And also, if you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel. And finally, in the comments section below, just tell us what I've just clipped into the front pocket of the rucksack. So the competition is only open to people within the UK. Sorry if you're watching from overseas. We will announce the winner on the comments section below and in our Facebook and Instagram channels on the 7th of September. Good luck.